Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat not working. Step 1. Explain the issue. If Snapchat is not opening, crashing, freezing or not loading snaps on your iPhone, follow those steps to fix it. Step 2. Force close the Snapchat. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open the app switcher. Then find Snapchat and swipe it up to close it completely. Now reopen Snapchat and check if it's working. Step 3. Check internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening Safari or another app to confirm your internet connection is working. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. If Snapchat still isn't working, restart your iPhone. Press volume up plus side button that's light to power off. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Step 5. Update Snapchat. First open the App Store, then search for Snapchat and tap Update if one is available. An outdated apps often stop working properly. Step 6. Check app permissions. First open the settings, then scroll down, then tap on apps, then tap on Snapchat and make sure camera, microphone and cellular data are turned on. Step 7. Final check. Open the Snapchat again. If it loads normally, the problem is fixed. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.